All right, let's look at question 21 from the JAMB Math 2014 exam. We are told that a binary operation star is defined by x star y is equal to x raised to the power y. Further, we're told if x star 2 is equal to 12 minus x, find the possible values. These type of problems are pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do is wherever you see anything that follows the format x star y, replace it with x raised to the power y. So that means x star 2 can be written as x raised to the power 2, which is equal to 12 minus x. So now we know that x squared is equal to 12 minus x. We can rewrite this as a quadratic equation. All we're going to do is add minus 12 plus x to both sides. And what we get is x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation which we can solve by factorization. All right, so to factorize this, we need to find a combination of values that we can cross multiply to produce this answer. So some possibilities would be 1 and 12. For now, I'm ignoring the signs. 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and so on. Because this first value is x squared, we know that the resulting answer would look something like this. X plus or minus something times x plus or minus something else. And so those two values is going to be one of these pairs, either 2 and 6, 3 and 4, or 1 and 12. And so we have to figure out if is there a way to combine 12 and 1 with either addition or subtraction to produce 1? And the answer here is no. Can we do the same with 2 and 6? The answer there is no. But with 3 and 4, it is possible. So one possible way of doing it is to have positive 4 and minus 3. And so based on our working on the side, we can assume that the correct factorization of this equation is x plus 4, x minus 3. All right, so now we know that x plus 4 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means that we can assume that whatever's in this value here is equal to 0, and whatever's in this value is also equal to 0. Therefore, the possible values of x are x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to minus 4. And the other possibility is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So those are the possible answers.